Maestro. Yeah.
I said, is this a strip club? He said, no, it's a lounge, it's a bar. She said, they got strippers though.
Pulling up to the art exhibit.
Hey, man, I'm about to go sell this shit for 6 bands. We're about to go do this Blockwork TV video. We on our way. This is probably black truck number 8, maybe number 9.
Hello.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's up with the vlog. We're here in Art Basel. Me and my good friend here looking for a wife. Wish us luck. God bless.
Oh my guy, I know you said how we doing it, man. Cars is crazy. The cars are the fit. Hey. Shout out to Keo, man. Oh my God. Are you ordering? Okay. CEO, you feel me? We taking over Miami, everything we do.
Yo, stay tuned. We got some big movies coming soon, word.
Today, my name is David Nizzo. I own Nizzo Motorsports, the biggest auto body PPF shop in America. And I just want to say I thank everybody for coming. Manifestation is real. Believe in it. It's right here. Grab it. Take it. It's yours. Nobody's better than nobody. No. Everyone's equal, no matter what color, religion, or race you are.
Amen.
We're all kids of God. And just believe in everything you say is going to come true.
And if y'all don't know, this man runs Miami and New York.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? Right here, old school, classic. We had the We the Best 3rd annual golf tournament. I just smoked some Gas House. You feel me? Hey, you ever tried some Gas House?
No, I haven't. You got some?
Shit.
Some weed out here?
Nah.
What's that whole 18?
Hey.
Keep God in your life, always, bro. You got to. But you can still smoke a little weed. Don't let nobody tell you can't. No cap, bro.
We're here with Fabulous, representing Gas House. We have 21 Savage's new drink. We're here on Khaled's tournament, and we're ready to start the day, baby.
Let's get it.
Okay.
Shout out to Grab a Leaf, shout out to Gas House. You in the presence of some legends right now. My dog Dante in the cut, you already know. Big Felix in the cut. Yeah, so we got a lot going on. There's a lot of events. We at Art Basel this week, so a lot of good content coming soon, so stay tuned, man.
We here, we turn it up. It's the Red Punch. You see the girl, they ain't savages, but this drink is a savage.
Shout out 21 Savage, you know, it's family. And you know 21 Savage is on my album, and this is 21 Savage new
THC infused Red Punch.
21, bless up, brother. Savage, respect.
You're what?
Like wine, baby, ain't it? Sweet.
Yeah, with y'all.
Cheers. Cheers.
Big up to every guy in the building right now.
Alright guys, so right now we're at the sushi event. They just dropped a couple new flavors. About to have a little bit of champagne, explore, get some merch, try out the new drop, excel in the cut.
I'm getting my roll up on that damn sushi.
Hey, cheers. Biz. Hey. And
Cheers,
of course,
Claire.
the one and only Bex. I gotta introduce
Cheers.
myself. Cheers.
I forgot about it. You're okay, boss. Thank you so much. One more piece over there. And I brought roll with me too. What colors y'all like? Yeah. Secret pocket.
That's
Compartment.
That's fine.
Flex that one time, take the phone out one time. Flex for your gun, for your phone, whatever you want to put in there. Look at that princess roll. Come on, man. Big hood. Yeah, I go hard. Spin that.
Dude, bro. When I met this man, he told me.
I was there with you.
You were, right? You remember what you told me when I met you? So I met this man last year during Art Basel, and I seen these robes. You know, he was posted up, some tings, you feel me? And I'm like, yo, what do you do? Because this man was iced out, robe on. What do you do? The boy said, I get paid to exist. And that's how it happened. I've been up since 6. You know, that's how it go.
I went down my mind. Whoa! You gonna take my rolls, man?